What's going on, guys? Starting the day off. Waiting for this train to pass in the 30. We got our favorite redneck over here. And I don't know, what are we doing? We're going to Pep Boys Ace. We're going somewhere. He needs hose clamps. We don't have hose clamps. So, first order of business, we gotta get over to, I guess, Pep Boys. First we're getting his wallet because he's got no money and I ain't paying for him. We're leaving Ace. They don't have anything we need. He dragged me out here for no reason.
Fuck you.
The manners on this kid. So now, you gotta go to Home Depot. Another 20-minute drive. Gotta start pouring rain. I'm excited.
Waste a whole nother day.
Yeah, I'm real excited about this.
You can't see it right now, but this fucking Tesla is an Uber.
Yeah. Uber's taking over New York. We're taking side streets to avoid traffic. And these are the things we see. You can see the taxi plate, the T.
Can't really on the camera.
Oh, well.
Fucking. Yeah.
Ubers are rich.
Close?
Career choice.
Can you get close enough?
I gotta get up on his ass.
At the light up here, maybe.
There we go. Taxi.
Yep, taxi.
Finally made it to Home Depot. Beautiful there. Beautiful there. Weather's bipolar. He's bipolar. He doesn't know what he wants. And I'm here driving him around like a taxi. I'm a classy Uber. I got an E30. Okay, so finally, we ended up going to Pep Boys, and they had a thread repair, whatever that is, helicoil or times to on it,
thread.
Fix the thread, whatever. It's something else now. So now we can maybe even drive his car today. That's a possibility at best, but we have a hope and we have a dream, so we can do this.
Doubtful.
Yeah. We gotta get lunch first because we're starving. I don't know, what do you want? Probably Wendy's.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Alright, let's get some lunch and we get back to his house and get to work. Traffic. Speed limit's 50. I don't think you ever go over 30 in this city.
What's the average speed limit in the city? Like 5 miles an hour?
Yeah, something like that. Alright, we made it back. Drizzling a little bit. Not too bad. Got the compressor hooked up. Gonna turn it on. Look for some goose leaks. There it goes. Hopefully you don't blow anything up in the car doing this, but we'll find out. Alright, so the first thing was a fail. Gotta shave this down now. Hopefully stick it in a different piece of coupling, because it wasn't going through the mass airflow sensor. So I got my file, got the vise, we're going to town. And he's doing that. So by the time I finished doing this, trimmed it down all perfect, I decided I wanted to start downpouring outside. So now we're stuck in here, and I gotta deal with this guy and his stupid scooter making a kickstand for it, which it doesn't need.
Yes, it does.
Out of thin Home Depot bracket, which aren't gonna last.
Yes,
right?
It will. Yes, it will.
Look at this clown. What, are you gonna self-tap that on there?
That's not gonna hold shit.
Yeah, there you go.
Right here.
Doesn't listen to me. I guarantee you, I'm taking bets right now. The second he puts that kickstand down, this whole thing's gonna collapse, and then he's gonna be crying because he has to repaint it again. Ain't that right?
Probably.
There you go. I said it here. Doing the walk of shame.
Fuck you. Where did I put the kickstand? Oh, there it is.
And now we wait. And I suffer. So this is his idea. He took out one of the screws for the, I don't know, what is this called?
Crankcase.
The crankcase? Alright, so he took out one of the screws for the crankcase, and he's just putting the kickstand right on that. And hopefully it doesn't strip. Hopefully it holds. Hopefully the scooter doesn't collapse the first time he uses it. A lot of hopefullys.
Yeah.
Like everything with the scooter. But
Like everything we ever do.
Not everything. Half the things. Alright, so now that's tight enough. Don't strip it like you strip your drain plug.
That's not tight enough.
It's flexing. It's what I said's gonna happen.
That's not flexing. It's just fucking... It's in a weird spot. This fucking whole thing's formed weird. No, it's not gonna strip.
Okay.
It's not even in all the way. Yeah, see? Look at that. It's mint.
Nice. Quality. So now what are you gonna do with that?
So I gotta drill another hole here, and then I gotta fucking cut this. I gotta cut this really short. I actually don't even need the spring. Well,
Alright.
probably do, but
Put it on.
give me a second. I should probably grind this down so it doesn't fucking...
Yeah, just put it on, see how it is.
Let me actually put the bolt on the other side. Oh, that's not it. Oh, also, fuck that, I guess. I really don't need the fucking thing. That is primo sketchy.
Like everything else.
Yeah. This is gonna go well.
Famous last words. Screwdriver's right there.
You really need the door stopper because it molds to the ground, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But honestly, you can probably wrap some rubber shit around this. It'd be mint. Actually, might have a piece that we can put on it.
Moment of truth. Take it off the stand.
Not short enough. And
Yeah.
that's also gonna wobble. We need the spring.
Oh, wait.
We gotta get it to lean on it, but
The whole bracket's bending.
that's actually pretty mint.
Let go.
Oh,
Get out of the way.
Fucking. Yeah, it's
Holding.
Yeah, this is what I was saying. Some dude just has a soda can there.
You mean you?
I might as well. It's not the whole back bracket bending, it's this bit. But this is fine. As long as no one touches it. Dude, actually, it's pretty goddamn solid. I'm satisfied with this.
I'm not impressed.
I'm fucking happy with myself. Gotta take a picture of it fucking...
This is what a scooter racer does on a daily basis.
Oh. Yeah, that's not fucking secure at all.
Well, no, it has to bend over more. There you go, like that.
There.
Now it's secure because it's leaning onto it.
Yeah, this came out fucking mint.
So here we have a racer dedicated to his trade in the rain.
This thing came out fucking mint. Mint.
You know what? The 70s, like Super Sports and CBs and all that stuff, you know how I always tell you that the kickstands are junk and not to sit on them? It's the same technology where it just barely holds the bike up.
Yeah.
And then when you try and kick it on, that's it. It collapses. There you have it.
Fucking fiberglass wraps is coming off.
Mint.
This thing's fucking low though.
Oh
no
yeah.
suspension. But look at that.
Oh yeah. Sand scooter.
More fingers.
Alright, well, while he admires his new creation, we're gonna go get something to eat. Probably. He wants to ride this thing. So I'm gonna.
Motherfucker, I'm gonna.
So I'm following him. You get to see how ignorant this thing is and how it terrorizes the whole world.
Yeah. You're gonna see some disgusted faces.
Oh yeah, plenty of those.
Oh fuck, how am I gonna get this out of here?
You're not. You don't have to ride it. I don't want him to ride it. Last time he rode it was kind of miserable, having to follow him. But he's dedicated. Out he goes. Gotta see him keying his car with this thing. Come on, hit the car with the mirror. Hit the car with the mirror.
Slam that hood closed with this.
Should I help him?
Yeah, you fucking should, asshole.
I don't know. Should I help him? Look at his temper. It's horrible. I'll help
I'm
him.
gonna move the mirror around to get it. Stop! I'm gonna move this fucking stupid ass mirror.
Why don't we lift it?
How's that gonna help?
Over the car.
Over the car?
You want to? Let's lift it.
Yeah, lift the back.
All right.
That's what we're doing. It's not getting lifted.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's coming right through.
No, lift. Lift the front.
Got it. There we go. Getting this thing in the back is gonna be. Oh, you fucking asshole! Stop! Quit. Getting this thing back in tonight is gonna be.
It's not going back in.
Yeah, it's sitting out here.
And now we're gonna go get food because we're hungry and it's getting late. Thing is so ignorant. Going 25 miles an hour. He's making all this ruckus. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Gonna get me in trouble. At least his lights work now. That's something. Thing's ignorant! Alright guys, it's getting dark. I just parked. My friend's already there. He parked out front with his scooter. Hope you enjoyed the video so far. If you like what you saw, leave a like, comment, maybe subscribe, leave some feedback, some suggestions. Positive, negative, I don't really care. I like it all. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.